Seeing an F2 error suddenly appear on your Westinghouse dishwasher cannot be good, especially when the wash cycle stops or the machine refuses to continue properly. Many users notice the dishwasher pausing unexpectedly, drainage issues appearing, or the appliance making unusual sounds before the F2 code shows up. Sometimes the dishwasher powers on normally, yet cleaning cycles never finish. In many situations, a Westinghouse dishwasher F2 error can happen because of drainage interruptions, filter blockages, water flow problems, or temporary control glitches. Before pressing random buttons repeatedly or restarting cycles over and over, these are the steps you can try to fix this and clear the F2 error on a Westinghouse dishwasher properly. 1. Turn off the Westinghouse dishwasher completely and disconnect power briefly to refresh temporary system interruptions. 2. Check and clean the dishwasher filter carefully because trapped debris may affect normal drainage. 3. Inspect the drain hose and confirm nothing blocks water flow or bends the hose too tightly. Number 4. Restart the Westinghouse dishwasher after reconnecting power and allow the system a short moment to refresh. 5. Run a short wash cycle and confirm whether the F2 error disappears afterward.